The new Medan Airport is an hour outside of town. We're flying Lion Air today, that way, to Nias Island. This is just know before you go. When you fly around Indonesia, before boarding any kind of a flight, there is a departure tax that you pay there at the gate. For this particular flight, it was approximately $5 to $6 per person. There are also severe weight restrictions on your bags. Again, on this particular flight to Gunung Sitoli, the capital of Nias Island, it's 10 kilos a person, which is not very much. So what we did is we brought an extra bag and we left one bag behind with our tour operator. On one of our other flights later on in this trip, when we fly to Denpasar, the weight restriction I think is 15 kilos a person. So just know before you go. The Indonesian people are very friendly. Every single person in line checking in with us wanted to know where we're from, what we are doing, where we are going. Wished us a good trip. I always enjoy these signs instructing people who are unfamiliar with Western-style toilets how to use them. We're flying Wings Air, which is a subsidiary of Lion Air. Very nice little prop plane. I am not familiar at all. Well, I must say this is a first, an invocation card. Catholic, Islam, Protestant, Hindu, Buddhist. Well, I certainly don't mind an invocation prayer.
Thank you.
Please let your guidance for all the airline crew so they can perform their job accordingly. Bless us all so we can arrive at our destination safely and so to unite with beloved family. And a big amen for that. Nias has a warrior culture that goes back centuries when local villages would band together and declare war on each other. Warfare involved revenge, along with being warriors. Well, particularly today, the people of Nias are farmers and they cultivate yams, maize, and taro. Pigs are still very important to them. No cattle whatsoever. We're flying right over a steaming volcano. Australians, they come to surf. Surfing is supposed to be really great on the south side of the island. It's part of an island chain off the western coast of Sumatra and separated from the mainland by a deep trench in the Indian Ocean. Few early trading ships even dared to approach these islands because of its rugged terrain, fierce people, a desire for slaves, and headhunting. The population of the island is spread over 650 villages. He's our guide here on Nias.
Yeah.
How do you say hello? What is that?
Yahom.
Yahom?
Yahom.
I can spit faster than this carousel can move. If you just look around, you could see Steve and I are the only Westerners visiting. Big object of curiosity from everyone. Please don't take any of my comments during this entire area of Indonesia, both Nias and Sumatra, as criticism. Very few tourists come here, but the people are super, super friendly.
It's a free chicken.
Chicken.
Fried chicken.
Okay.
This is pulse, but they put the bloods of pigs.
No,
They
not,
mix with the.
okay, not that one.
Not that one.
And that is.
This is a vegetable. This is a soup.
I love watching how they cook everything.
Yeah.
It's coconut soup. It's cold. It is so delicious. Everything is so good, so good, so good.